Yo, what's going on, Antonio X Carter, Operation Emancipation Occupation, getting you free from your 9 to 5 jobs. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you day number 5 of my $1,000 per month Bing Ads Clickbank journey here. And what I want to show you here, I want to show you some optimizations, show you the results that came through so that you can also take these same tactics, methods, whatever you want to call it. I was going to say tricks. It's not really tricks. And this is real stuff. This is what you can do in your business so that you can get results for your own products, for your own affiliate marketing stuff. All right. You can become super affiliates very quickly using these tactics. And I'm only doing it with $5 per day. I'm taking you through the steps so that you can see how to begin. If you are a complete beginner, a noob, a novice, whatever. If you have a little bit more money, if you have $10, $20 per day to spend, I highly recommend that because it makes a huge difference. Now, let's go ahead and jump in this thing. I'm going to show you my results and explain it to you a little bit. And I have not gotten any sales yet since I started. This is day number 5. If you have not watched how I started the campaign, if you don't know what product we're promoting, if you don't know the keywords that we're using with Bing Ads and ClickBank and how I'm tracking all of the clicks and sales, I highly recommend that you go back into time, reverse, and watch my other videos because I'm not hiding anything, all right? And by the way, if you really want to learn how to do this, I'm running a 5-day free challenge. It's going to be live within a Facebook group. For 5 days, I'm going to be teaching you guys these things step by step so that you can not just look over my shoulder, but you'll be able to ask questions. I'm going to be live, okay? That says it all. And you'll be able to get your first commissions with Bing Ads and ClickBank and hopefully go to $100 per day and $1,000 month, right? Then all of a sudden you go from $1,000 a month to $1,000 day. Then you'll be going $1,000 per day. So if this is what you're talking about, if this is what you like, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button under my video. Check out my descriptions as well. I got a lot of free stuff for you guys. Sign up for the challenge. I got a course under there where you make $3,500 per week with these same tactics and all types of other stuff. All right, drop me some comments below. Now, ClickBank, this is my account, one of my accounts. I have 2 accounts. Probably need to get a 3rd account. I know some of you guys say that your accounts have been banned. To you, I say get somebody else, a friend or a family member, to open up an account if they haven't already and use their account. All right. Now, I currently have paid ads going to 2 products or 3. 2. And this one, I have text chemistry, which I've talked to you guys about. Because I'm still creating other videos with text chemistry to show you guys outside of this challenge. And what I really want you to see here is I have 107 total hops that's going to that right now. And then in the other columns, you'll see hops per order form impression, all order form impressions, and initial order form impressions. Those are very important numbers because if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see my other product that I'm doing for this challenge called BioFit Supplements. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the timer to begin my 10 minutes because this is part of the 10 minutes. I told you guys you can do this for 10 minutes per day and still grow your business, all right? So we didn't get any sales. Wah wah. I'm sorry if you just came to see if I got a sale today or not. Spoiler alert, there is no sales right now. However, the amount of information that we have is definitely worth this video. 47 hop links to BioFit, which means people that clicked on our link has gone to the BioFit page. I have 0 all across the board from there. Compare it to text chemistry, which you'll notice is the 3 that we have highlighted here. And what this is saying, Out of 107 hop links, out of 107 clicks over to the sales page of Text Chemistry, 3 people have hit the order form. This is important because if you look at BioFit, we have 47 clicks with 0 order form impressions, which means people aren't even getting to the order form. That could be the sales page, that could be my ad copy, that could be multiple things. But we're going to look at our ads, look at the clicks and all that stuff, and see kind of where the drop-off is at. Now, I don't need to start removing keywords and changing ads and all that stuff. We don't have enough information just yet. But I can tell you, when compared to Text Chemistry right here, probably around, I believe it's an average of about 150 to 200 hop links where I get a sell or less. And keep in mind, I am still doing the tests. This is not the optimized campaign of Text Chemistry or BioFit for that matter. Excuse me. Let me pause this. Okay. So $5 a day. I got 47 hop links. Let's go ahead into this thing. And immediately what I can tell you, the difference between why I have so many clicks for Text Chemistry at $5 a day versus only getting even a fraction of that, maybe half of that, with this one, with BioFit, is because if you look at the bid, we're bidding for $1 per click. With Text Chemistry, I believe we are bidding like 50 cents. 50 cents to 75 cents, something like that. Let's see. 50 cents. So I'm being charged half the amount. I'm paying half that, half of $1, right? Which means for the same $5 per day, I'm getting double the amount of clicks with Text Chemistry. That's what makes the weight loss market a little bit tough, because it's much more expensive. And so if I go to Clickmagick, one second. BioFit, we have some clicks. Got 43 clicks total. Unique clicks. We're going to observe these things very quickly. I'm going to take a look. I just want to look at our information that we got. It's the query string. Keyword query string. Okay, yeah. So the second column should be the query string. In other words, if you look up here, you can see what they typed in for my ad to come in. Can you lose weight? Lose weight fast. Lose weight fast without exercise or diet. So what I would do is I would just go through here, and I'm just seeing what people are typing in order to get the clicks. And if I see something that's working pretty well, that a lot of people are typing in, I'm going to zero in on that keyword and maybe charge more or bid more for that particular keyword and delete a lot of the other keywords. However, the problem with this, avocados for weight loss, see, something like that, avocados for weight loss, apple vinegar diet weight loss, that's a good one. That actually works pretty well. This person just typed in fitness. Lose stomach weight. Lemon water for weight loss. So some of these I think I can delete because, well, they're looking for remedies. Now the avocados for weight loss, I don't know, but they're looking for remedies that doesn't involve exercise. That's what it looks like. And the BioFit supplements does fit that. Taking a pill. So I'd probably keep those. But the point of me showing you this is to go through all the keywords and stuff. You're going to have to put in a little bit of time and research your avatar. Research the data that's given to you and make adjustments to that. And so I'm going to go back. Not here, not there. Okay. I'm not going to delete anything. I'm not going to manipulate anything. Right now, I'm getting charged $1 per click. My biggest problem is I want to see if this is enough. See, like here, below first bid, first page bid. So I probably want to increase that one. Just because I already know this is a popular keyword that should work pretty well. So let's go $1.50. And I have to make the same change in the other ad group. One is for Bing search networks and the other is for partners. Let's see if we got the same problem. Yep. So I'm changing this. Sorry guys, my wife needed something from me and I forgot to stop the timer, so I'm gonna just let this run for about another minute. But I'm gonna make the same changes on this side as well. So I'm gonna change to $1.50. Now let's say that I realize that those two specific words are bringing me sales. Guess what? I'm willing to spend $2, $3, $4, maybe even $5 per click if I know that by the time, let's say there's 10 people who click, that's $50 at $5 per click. But I know out of those 10 people, one person buys. The average dollar amount of commission is $180. So that's like $135 profit. And I would just continue to do that over and over and over again. All right, now I feel like I can go back to the timer. One more minute left. And so that's what we do here when it comes to keyword optimization. And that is the difference between this one and the text chemistry that's going on. And so I'm tempted actually for time purposes, because I told you guys at the beginning, if I'm doing $5 per day for this particular product, I know I'm going to get a sale. But let me show you something. I got 1,357 keywords versus, well, it's gone through not even a fourth of my keywords. You see here it says clicks, and you see these numbers where it says 17. Everything else says 0. And if I go to the next page, I know it's going to be the same thing. And this is only 200 keywords. I have 1,357 keywords. I have to spend more money in order for Bing ads to get through more data. That's why I'm recommending that you spend more than $5 per day with this particular ad. Stop. And then for text chemistry, you can see I have 444 keywords. $5 will go a long ways with 444 keywords versus just under 1,500 keywords. So hopefully you guys understand that. Hopefully you guys see where I'm coming from and why I'm so big on this whole thing. Not to mention the fact that the bid is 50 cents per click versus $1 per click with BioFit supplement. So I really do need to increase the amount that I'm spending for BioFit, and I realize that some of you cannot do that. I'm going to do that at some point. I will probably give this to the end of the week to see if we get any type of hop links onto the order form, or any sales for that matter. And if I'm not really getting much information, I'm going to have to increase this data, or this amount for the bid. I really have no choice, because I don't want to wait for too much just to get data. You know, I have the money, it's okay, and I want to show you guys so I can get the results fairly quick. But that's it for this video. Hopefully in the next video I'll have some sales for you and be able to show you the stuff in Clickmagick. If you guys want to use Clickmagick, I got the free 14-day free trial. You can click the link down below. Go ahead and get your Clickmagick, your Google, not your Google, sorry guys, your Microsoft Ads and your Clickbank account set up as well. In some of my other videos, I showed you how to make landing pages and quizzes in order to send people to increase the conversion rate for your sales, and I use ClickFunnels. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that. I already did one time in another video. You can check that out up here. Click the little I above. But I'll be going over that. Make sure you have your free 14-day free trial with that as well, and you can use the same exact templates that I use for my campaigns. So I have to go. You guys have a good one, and we'll talk with you later.